Yes.
Teddy Bear Children's Support. It'll be on in a month. It'll be on our website. Do you want to write it down?
For mobility, because what's going to happen later on, we're not only going to have to repeat it, but because of the wind, we may need to use lots of force today and lots of power. Much more than we used on the Loch O. Loch O was purely about the distance, where today it's not only about the distance, but it's also about the very tough conditions. Scottish winter truly arrived. And you can see on the horizon, it's quite interesting.
Action and ready.
Cool. So yeah, Loch Ness, 23 miles ahead, plus extra mile and a half at the end. So actually we're gonna plan to do 24 and a half miles.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna go into the Caledonian Canal and we're gonna finish in Dochgarroch.
Yes.
Okay.
Saying that, after careful consideration and planning, we've made a professional decision to choose the tandem. We had a look at the weather conditions today, haven't we? What the weather been like?
Yeah. So there is Thursday of the winter. So we're gonna have a sunset in just over 5 hours time, really, and only sunrise just appeared. To be honest, despite it's just after 9 o'clock. But the wind at the moment, despite it looks nice and easy in Fort Augustus, where we're starting now, it's gonna be much windier later on, with the wind predicted up to 30-31 miles an hour,
Yes.
which makes definitely much more challenging conditions than we did in April time, Loch O. So yeah, tandem is still gonna be definitely a big challenge. We've got a very long distance to do. We're gonna have some big waves along the way. We're gonna have very cold wind. The temperature is falling, and there is snow on the mountains. Appeared last night, and it's gonna be snowing later on. So we've got enough to tackle on. Okay. So you've got your maps next to you. You've got everything ready. We just have to go and grab the paddles. We're gonna launch the kayak, and that will be us, really, Jamie. Yeah, if it feels any easier, if you can reach it, or you can keep it inside. That's a very good Christmas adventure, Jamie. Yeah. Good. Absolutely. Absolutely. You don't want to overheat yourself too. Yeah, that's a very good idea. Because this way you've got accessible all times. But yeah, today with wind predicted up to 32 miles an hour, we have to be very cautious about what's going on. Hence we're trying to sit fairly close to the shore. Like right now, we probably 200 meters away from the shore now, just in case we have to get to it within a few minutes. Because yeah, it's great from you, Jamie, keep showing to people that there are challenges, very difficult ones up in the life, isn't it? Adventure ones, but with good preparation, a serious approach to it, not underestimating the weather and own fitness level, it's possible to try to conquer some challenges in life, isn't it? So here it is, 22 miles to go, so we probably did, yeah. If we're gonna push on the left foot and look through your left shoulder. Whoa, look at that, mountains behind it. I will just try to spin the camera so it will be seen on it, but it's absolutely amazing. So just behind Fort Augustus, what you're looking at is the Fort William area. So further to the left of it is not visible now, but where the big mountains are, that's where the Fort William is, and then keep driving to the left and that's where the Ben Nevis is, where you walked earlier in the year, wasn't it? far on the left. And look the amount of snow we're just looking at. Absolutely epic. So today the focus number one is to avoid getting cold because it's winter conditions, okay? So we have set it up, it was about 6 degrees heat. Yes. But the feeling temperature, because being exposed to the wind, actually what you're gonna feel like, the forecast today says -3. Yes. That's why staying warm today is priority number one. Conditions in Scotland right now in winter, staying warm, staying dry is the highest priority. Because getting cold by water or by wind, or combination of both, you know, within 15-20 minutes you can be in the very serious hypothermia. So if you will be exposed to the wind or water by falling in, or both, for too long time, within 15 or 20 minutes, you will have a very severe hypothermia. Yes, of hypothermia. So you can see the cloud in front of us, that's the storm cloud. It's getting closer and closer. Once we're gonna get to it, there will be rain, there will be snow, and there will be wind. How many places, yeah, in front of us, and yeah, we're gonna see lots of waterfalls like that. Let's push on the right foot, so we're slightly turning right, so it is also on the video. Cool. Yeah. Now you can hear it really well. And then look to your right again, far on the horizon, we're looking to Fort Augustus and White Mountains. They all disappeared in the big cloud. That's the wind, that's the weather front which is chasing us today, all day. Yep. That's what I said, that the wind later on will be stronger, much stronger, because that's the wind behind us, this weather front. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Stone landslide. In the stormy days, probably you can hear a really big rubble when that falls down. Yeah, and the rocks above are being exposed to the wind, eroding quicker and quicker. And yeah, it'll be an interesting sight to see and hear. Landslide, stone. Yeah. Typical Scottish weather. Wind, rain, snow and blue sky in front of us at the same time. This is what makes Scotland challenging. Look, deer on the right, here, between the trees. Deer. Just here, close to the water. Can you see it? Just look lower, lower. Then next to the tree, there are two of them on the grass. Look front. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. By the tail, can you see how the bottom is white? Roe deer. Uh-huh. The one at the back is, yeah. Yep. Yeah, you've got a red deer and roe deer in Scotland. Huh? Yeah. Just try to get a panoramic photo of it all. You ready? Go for it. Say it again. Yeah, they are probably 2 feet height at least now. Yeah. Aye. Yeah. Yeah, they're quite steep actually, which is good. Uh-huh. Good. Everything in the winter, you have to respect it more. Your body gets weaker, quicker. Gets in the winter, your own body has less battery. You know, you get hungry quicker, you get weaker quicker, colder or achy. That's why you have to approach a winter regime. Not, oh, I did it in the summer and it was fine, or in the warm weather. That means in the winter you can only do half of it. Exactly. Yeah, exactly right. Be quick, that's it. And grab front of the kayak and gently pull it out so it's not gonna be drifted against the wind. Yeah, that will do, Jamie, perfect. Just hold it there for a second. Cool, and now pull it again. Good, good, good. Nice one. Very good. So if you got your lunch, it's here. Okay? So open it, have a look. I will calculate it in a second. Very shortly. Let's have no more than 30 minutes tops for lunch, because we don't have much of daylight today at all. Yeah, and pull that off. Yeah, take the blue one off, and then there's a rudder. Yeah, sit here. Sit here, so hide away from the wind. Well done. Yeah, is it no pressure. Right, don't sit yet, Jamie. Let me hop in first. Yeah, thanks Neil. See you at the end, hopefully. Yeah, the sun is higher up, it's just coming out of over the hill. That's why. So we've got 2 hours of good weather. Or good sun, sorry. The weather will be rubbish constantly. So let's get going. Oh. Exactly. First half an hour will be painful. Prepare again. That's it. Now, quickly, forwards. Much faster than that, Jamie. Much faster when you're on the top. Prepare now, go for it. And slow it down. And prepare again. Go for it now. Good. That was good. Nice one. Well done. Go ahead like 3 or 4. Usually big waves are not coming one off. They're coming in 3s or 4s. So if you missed one, don't give up. Prepare straight away, split second later for catching second and third one. And then after fourth one, probably to going easy again. Huh? Say it again? Yeah. I'm not even accelerating. This is now 30 miles an hour gust. Yeah. Because I don't have to paddle any faster and I'm already surfing it. Yeah. So it's all the wind force. Yes. Big days. You see how much challenges like that teaching you so much than any classroom ever will. Challenges like these in the tough conditions teaching you so much more than any classroom would ever do. So much more. Woo-hoo. That's now over 30 miles an hour gust. Yep. You can probably recognize that's the biggest waves and wind we had all day. Uh, 32 maybe. Yeah, let's use that force. Fucking hell. That's surfing. Big days. That was a big surf. Okay, stop paddling. There are big waves. We don't want to surf it too much. Lean back. Yeah, we're just gonna wait slowly. Okay, gently paddle forwards. Okay, stop paddling, Jamie.
Tactical kayaking.
Yes. Very slowly, no acceleration anymore. We are not wanting to surf. We do not want you to surf. What? I don't know, about 0 degrees. Nah, not yet. Feels cold though. And it's snowing again. So yeah, it's probably 0 degrees again. Yeah, can you see big flakes? Yeah, 0 below. It's still rain, so it must be about 0. Paddle, paddle, matey, paddle. And stop paddling. Stop paddling. Okay, paddle again now on your right only. Faster. That's it. And on both sides. So we have to get away from the shore slightly. Yes. So this waves become very steep on us. No, I'm not sure. That's only a miss. Could be far, far away. We've got only maybe quarter to go, so 6 miles or more. But it's gonna be hard 6 miles, mate. Yeah, don't worry. We're gonna find a nice sheltered place. Look at that old castle on the right. nearly the last 100 yards. Jamie of Loch Ness, one of the biggest venues in Britain, definitely the most famous one. Very few people have heard of so many people in the world have heard of Loch Ness. Go on, nearly there. Last meters of Loch Ness, Jamie. And well done, sir. It's here. There is no exactly by centimeter, so this entrance to the next small loch and Caledonian Canal is the end of Loch Ness, my friend. So if you want, you can stop very quickly and take a couple photos from here. Let me manage the directions. Let me come alongside. But you have to be careful when you're standing up, remember. It's very easy for the injury at the end of the day. You're very tired, so do I. So you have to be not try to stand up in your kayak. Yep. Yep, touch the bottom and push it, that's it. Yeah, 2 seconds. More or less, you have to use the paddle and your skills to get out safely. So yeah, big step. Remember, paddle in your hand. Jamie, paddle in your hand quickly now. Jamie, that's it. Good, good, good. Yep. Yeah, quick steps, buddy, quick steps. Yeah, you can stand there actually, it's a good angle. Because then I've got the photo of the kayak and you with it, with the close distance. I'm just gonna get the camera out. The GoPro is rolling, by the way, so you can edit the finish line nicely. Perfect, yeah. Let me take a couple photos. Yeah, look up. Nice one. Yeah. Oh, 2 seconds, one more. Beautiful. Definitely there is few good quality ones. So now you can do the finish to the camera.
Hi sponsors. Thank you everyone for allowing this. Thank you to the sponsors for allowing this challenge to happen. This challenge remains with you forever. You made this challenge happen, so you should be proud also, shouldn't they, Piotr?
Absolutely, absolutely. And we're doing it in the shortest day of the year, in one of the worst weathers I ever seen kayaking. And it's just about to start snowing, so let's get going. We still got 2 kilometers to go. Very well done, Jamie, well done. A big challenge completed again. Well done, buddy. We've still got 2 more kilometers to go over the canal. So don't fall in. You can throw the flag. Yeah. Gently lift, no standing up, just straight away sit on the jetty. Sit on the jetty, Jamie. If you're not gonna sit, you're in the water.
I can see what you're saying now.
Well done. Alright, I'm pressing the button, the recording is finished. Ready?